Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Queen Ika. This channel is all about getting creative. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a candle holder.
I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling, cause I complicate my goal. So surrender, that's why I remember it's the simple things in life. Either it does or doesn't feel right.
This candle holder looks like a lotus bloom, and we're gonna make it in red because this is the month of love, and it's a candle holder. I mean, of course we're gonna use it this month. So yeah, so stay tuned. This is gonna be an amazing video, and plus I have an amazing guest on my video today. So yeah, so watch out for scenes when she comes in. This candle holder is going to be made from plastic spoons. So this is going to be like one of the cheapest DIYs I have ever done, because plastic spoons, the packet of like 25 plastic spoons should be about 125 Kenya shillings, so that's pretty cheap. Let me show you the spoons I'm going to use. I'm going to use Ken Poly tablespoons. I bought the 25 pieces pack. So this is going to be I'm going to use, I don't know how many spoons I'm going to use yet. I'm going to use a plastic tablespoon. So this is how it looks. This is the size. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the size. I'm going to cut it from down here. I'm going to leave a bit of the handle so that it looks like it has a stem. I prefer you use I always prefer you use the tablespoon because we're making like a lotus blossom flower candle holder. So this when a lotus blossom has bigger like flowers, it looks more beautiful. Let's get to cutting the plastic spoons, and then we can go to the next step. The next step here is we're going to cut the plastic spoons. So what we're removing from the spoons is this part here, the handle. So as you can see over here, I've already cut a few, and this is how they look. I'll give you a closer look in a bit. So I'm going to take my scissor and I'm going to cut the spoon, leaving a bit of stem, so that I'll be using that stem to attach it to my to the other pieces. So I need a bit of this. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I'm going to cut as many as I can. I'm going to cut at least like 20 pieces, or like, yeah, because I'm going to be making 2 rows. We're done cutting the spoons, so what we're going to do is we're going to spray paint the plastic spoons, and I'm going to use red because that's the only spray paint I have in the house right now, to be honest. And also I love red, and since we're in February and it's the month of love, why not use red anyway? So yeah, so we're going to spray paint them red, and then yeah, then we can attach the pieces together, and I'm going to show you exactly how we spray paint them. I'm going to, yeah, so let's go outside and get that done. So, some piece of advice: it's always good to spray paint coat by coat. I mean, like, always spray thin coats of your spray paint so that it doesn't clog. And then also make sure you spray paint at a distance. When you spray paint at a distance, it ensures that your paint also doesn't clog. So your paint job comes out really nice and smooth, and that's the look we're going for. I'm giving each coat about like 10 minutes or like 10 to 15 minutes to dry. This is because the coat is really light. Like if I was spray painting like a bottle, I'd probably give it longer, like, but now since it's the spoons and the paint is really light, I'll give it about 10 to 15 minutes and then do another coat. And yeah, woo, final product is coming up. You're gonna love it, love it, love it, love it. So I've cut 2 pieces of cardboard. You cut 2 pieces, you cut the pieces depending on the size of your lid. So recently I had an amazing experience. I made pasta and it was amazing. So this lid is from my pasta sauce and I'm going to use it to like make the base of my candle stand. So I'm going to draw the circle on this cardboard so that I know the size. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 pieces so that it's going to be strong, so that it's strong and reinforced. So there I've drawn the, please go away. Okay, so I've drawn the circle on the cardboard. Then I'm going to cut it out using my scissor. Then these 2 pieces, these 2 circles are going to make the base of my candle stand. This is where I'm going to place my flowers.
So hard.
I know, right?
Why didn't you use that knife?
Oh yeah, true. I forgot about the knife. Oh, didn't you remember?
Oh. Does it look good?
Yep.
Okay, now we have the 2 pieces. One smaller. It's okay. I'm bad at cutting. Now it's just to stick them together.
What are we going to use?
Hot glue?
Yep. So we're going to use a glue gun and glue sticks, of course. That's what we're going to use to stick together the 2 pieces, and then yeah, then we're ready to stick it to the other piece. So yeah. We're going to put some hot glue around this piece of cardboard. This is what we're going to use as a stand. This is the base. This is where we're going to place the plastic spoons in order to make the pattern of the candle holder. So yeah, we're done with our base. Let's go work on putting the petals. That's how they look. They're done now. They look like petals, don't they? Do they? They look like petals, yeah? Yeah.
They really do.
Yep. Okay. So what we're doing is we're making something exactly like that with the red petals instead. So that's how it's gonna look. So you're gonna stick it down and press it like that. And then make sure you stick the petals at the same joint so that none are ahead, none are behind. I mean, like they're all at the same level. That's the first layer. You can remove the strands of excess glue so that it looks nice and neat. But I think you can see it looks really pretty right now. And
yeah, it looks like a red sunflower.
Okay, so what's going to happen next is we're going to do the second layer. So these ones we're gonna place them looking like they're standing a bit, yeah. So put them like they're standing.
I smell hot glue.
Really?
Yes. Do you smell that?
No, I can't. I'm not smelling anything. And just make sure you hold them down so that they don't come out.
This, but different color, and it hasn't right there.
Yeah, and I haven't painted the middle, so not yet.
And have you painted this side?
It's red. The cover is red, so the cardboard needs to be painted. Everything needs to be painted. So now we have some parts that had a bit of an accident. Anyway, okay, we had some parts that were not painted properly, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then I also want to paint the middle part, the inside of the cardboard, so that it's all red and nice. Thanks again for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure you share and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my awesome videos. Thank you. Remember to stay creative. Peace.
Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.